Hey y'all, RCA guy here. Welcome back to my fine studio. And I wanted to do an unboxing of this BlueRigger 3.5mm to RCA 2 stereo audio cable. So it's a 3.5mm jack, which is like what you'd see on a pair of headphones, and then it goes out to those two what you typically see in old audio equipment, a red and white cable, RCA style plug. Let's go ahead and get into this bad boy here. Ugh, here we go. So it's got this little piece of paper. It says limited lifetime warranty, and I'm not going to read all of that. It's the only thing that was in there with it. And the cable itself, the tactile feels really nice. If you're used to Apple computer branded power cables, charging cables, etc., you're going to immediately recognize that that soft rubbery feel. And there's the one of the tips. I think it's gold plated. It's supposed to improve audio quality. And then of course this end you've got red and white. So you've got audio left and audio right. RCA style plugs. You know, very acceptable length of this cable. It is 8 feet long, so that's nice if you're putting something kind of far away. And see, there's the 3.5mm plug. Looks like your standard headphone type plug. And the reason I got this is that I do a lot of live broadcasting here on RCA's Adventure channel, youtube.com/RCA. And I wanted to sometimes use a secondary audio source. And this, utilized in conjunction with my Blackmagic box, will enable that to happen. Oh, and I thought that was cool. It's got the brand name on it. A lot of these less expensive cables don't. It says BlueRigger. So just a really cool cable. I'm very impressed. Can't wait to put it to the test and see how well it performs. So as always, subscribe if you haven't already. It's youtube.com/RCA, and share this video and any of my videos with others. Y'all have a good day.